Hi friends, SBI paper prelims, English session explanation. మిత్రమా ఎగ్జామ్ బూస్టర్ని రెగ్యులర్గా చెక్ చేయండి. ఎగ్జామ్ బూస్టర్లో వర్డ్ యూసేజ్ అనే టాపిక్ని కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. వర్డ్ యూసేజ్ కూడా చూడండి. వీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ 1 or 2 బిట్స్, 1-2 బిట్స్ రావచ్చు అనే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ కూడా ఉంది. ఇఫ్ ద పేపర్ ఈజ్ మోడరేట్, పేపర్ మోడరేట్గా ఉంటే అవి కూడా రావచ్చు. ప్లీజ్ చెక్ ఎగ్జామ్ బూస్టర్ని త్వరగా చెక్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా 30th ఈవినింగ్ 5 to 7 స్పెషల్ క్లాస్ ఉంది. అప్ టు థర్డ్ వరకు క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. రండి, దిస్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్ టెస్ట్ columns, and we have one reading comprehension, and this is a swap paper, regular paper la కనబడుతోంది, and we have fillers. Yes, now let me start with the close test. Had to dash imports from Iran and Venezuela under threat of sanctions from the US. యుఎస్ థ్రెట్ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇరాన్ నుండి వెనుజులా నుండి ఇంపోర్ట్స్ ని ఏం చేయాలయా అంటే తగ్గించుకోవాలన్నా కాబట్టి స్లాష్. In 2019, India increased its intake of oil from the US to about 1,84,000 barrels per day, which was 4 times more than in 2018 and up from zero import just 4 years ago. Some of the increase is due to the fact that India had to తగ్గించుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది, that is a slash. టూ ప్లస్ V1 కాంపన్సేట్ అని అయి ఉండాలి. డిప్రైవ్ తో ఆఫ్ రావాలి కాబట్టి కాదు, విత్ హోల్డ్ అని అయి ఉండాలి. చూద్దాం. బట్ అఫీషియల్ సే ద యుఎస్ హ్యాజ్ ట్రైడ్ టు కాంపన్సేట్ బై సబ్సిడైజింగ్ యుఎస్ ఆయిల్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ కాస్ట్. తగ్గించడం ద్వారా, సబ్సిడీ ఇవ్వడం ద్వారా కాంపన్సేట్ చేయడానికి యుఎస్ కూడా ట్రై చేసింది. This is an area for growth. The US has helped us continue our energy sources కాదు, diversify our energy sources, very good, by dealing with Gulf countries, increasing its supply of energy so as to keep the price of oil under control, said a senior official involved in the visit. Business leaders also say that oil and gas is gaining what? Is gaining obscurity కాదు, ambiguity కాదు. చూసారా, అబ్స్క్యూరిటీ అన్నా, అంబిగ్విటీ, ఇనాక్యురసీ, అన్క్లారిటీ అన్నీ కూడా ఒకే విధమైనటువంటి మీనింగ్ ఇస్తుండగా సాలియన్స్ ఇన్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్. బిజినెస్ లీడర్స్ ఆల్సో సే దట్ ఆయిల్ అండ్ గ్యాస్ ఈస్ గెయినింగ్ సాలియన్స్ ఇన్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్. నౌ however he warned that the US would not continue to ఆయిల్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్. ఇంతకుముందు ఏం చేసింది? సబ్సిడైజ్ చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు అది చెయ్యను అంటోంది. అంటే however he warned that US would not continue to subsidize oil transport. That is a fifth option. Columns. Einstein was not an inventor like Thomas Edison or Alexander Graham Bell. AD suitable అయినప్పుడు BE. But his theories and discoveries changed the way we look at things. BE correct. Einstein is best known for his theory of relativity, correct. AD, BE, CF. Theory of relativity is ఏతో ఏమీ లేదు. The theory of relativity also brought on inventions like the nuclear bomb and nuclear energy. BE suitable అయింది కావున CD చెక్ చేద్దాం. Quantum theory of light led to many inventions such as television, correct. So that BE and CD. Question number 8. Atoms are the building blocks of molecules which when combined make up everything. AF suitable in the BE. From the smallest one called amoeba to every person who has ever lived. BE kuda suitable in the. Even way back in the time of ancient Greece, they wondered about atoms. CD kuda correct in the. AF, BE, CD. Question number 9. So, what is an atom look like? Up until very recently, one could say one way or another. AF. Since technology improves at all time, it may not be long before we can actually see a whole atom through a special microscope. This is correct. Kauna, AF and CD. Now, black holes are one of the most mysterious and powerful forces in the universe. A is suitable. CD. It is an area in space where matter has literally collapsed onto itself. CD correct. AE correct. The finance ministry in a report said that while the pandemic was far from over in India, the country may be past its peak of the COVID-19 case lead. It premised this on a declining case load from September 17 to 30 when the daily positive cases dipped from 90,000 to 83,000 a day. This, along with an increase in testing, had led to a falling test positivity, and so was a sign that India ought to be further freeing up its economy. The pandemic being past its peak in India is irrational optimism. Last week, the chief of the Indian Council of Medical Research, while announcing the results of the second All India Serology Survey, said only 7% of Indians had been exposed to the virus. The health minister, too, referencing the same survey, said that India was far from any sort of herd immunity. The decline from 90,000 cases a day to around 75,000 for over a fortnight is certainly welcome but can be deceptive. In the United States, daily cases steadily dashed from 70,000 in July to 24,000 in September and decreased to ascend again to 50,000 this week. India's test positivity is declining but not substantially. On September 23rd, it was 8.52% and October 4 had fallen to 8.29%. An improvement but not loose to the World Health Organization suggested safety barrier of less than 5%. What further complicates the projections based on ephemeral undulations in cases is that it does not take into account the dynamic nature of the virus itself. The early optimism that its spread may be contained by changes in the weather, behavioral modifications, and imposing a sudden stringent lockdown has been belied. If a complete shutdown could not stop it, it is hard to understand how allowing public transport and religious congregations, permitting schools and educational institutions to restart, opening up malls in a season that is particularly conducive to viruses, will not catalyze the movement to a new peak. The so-called peak is a statistical artifact closely connected to the number of tests a country administers. If the testing were to decline, more cases would be undetected. And conversely, an increase in tests can push this hypothetical point even further. Therefore, it is only after sufficient time has elapsed and in retrospect that a country's peak can be inferred. India has been opening up the economy, and this increases the average person's exposure to the virus. Countries with much fewer cases have been far more cautious with opening. The lockdown had shown the disruption in the economy, and it is understandable if finance ministry officials seek a justification for opening up. But just as it would be surprising for epidemiologists to forecast GDP growth, officials ought not to be prognosticating outside their ken merely to revive economic sentiment when several alternatives based on fact and reason exist. Why did ICMR and Home Minister say that India was far away from, had only 7% of Indians had been exposed to the virus? Okay, adi karaname. Country speak can be inferred. No, the lockdown had shown it. No. Only A. That is the first option. Question number 12. What, according to the author, is particularly conducive to viruses? Allowing public transport, correct. Religious congregations, correct. Permitting schools and education institutions to restart, correct. Opening up malls in the season, correct. All are correct, so that A, B, C. Question number 13. What, according to the author, was a sign that India ought to be further freeing up its economy? That is falling test positivity. That is the second option. What can be deceptive? The decline from 90,000 cases a day to around 75,000 for over a fortnight అనేది deceptive. If testing were to decline, more cases would be undetected, and conversely, an increase in tests can push this hypothetical point even further. If testing were to decline, more cases would be undetected, and conversely, an increase in tests can push this hypothetical point even further. No error. In the United States, daily cases steadily plummeting from ఎఫెమరల్ అంటే తక్కువ కాలం ఉండేది, పర్మనెంట్ కాదు కాబట్టి ట్రాన్సిటరీ. డిప్ అంటే ఏముందండి, పడిపోవడము, ఫాల్ అని అర్థము, డిమినిషన్ అర్థము, కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ రైజ్. స్టోరీస్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ కరేజ్ అండ్ మేహమ్ that shone through amid orchestrated camaraderie, friendship. No. What rankles is the complete breakdown of the governors from top to bottom. Yes, stories of human courage and camaraderie, that is that shone through the and amid orchestrated mayhem offer hope. But what rankles, so that A becomes B, B becomes A, first option. The US is merely joining in the wave of electoral insurrections that are upending the political order. So that B becomes C, that is the fourth option. Pakistan's interest in Afghanistan will continue to India-centric, trying to erode the goodwill of India's development work by peddling its own insecurities about our hegemonic potential, so that continue and erode. A becomes B. The demand for recognizing issues related to sustainability in higher education is slated to grow exponentially the world over, so that demand sustainability. A becomes B. In the aftermath of the violence that spread through Delhi, the uprising seemed both inevitable and unthinkable. There is no error, all are correct, so that last option. Question number 24. అక్కడ ఇన్ అనేటువంటి పదం కనబడుతోంది, కావున ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఇన్ కానీ డిజింట్రెస్టెడ్ గానే అయి ఉండాలి. 4. Stanford engineers started a club for students interested in using their skills. Third option, interested in coding. Schools are dash free classes offering. Coding schools are offering free classes. 2 plus V1 to make sure the work is safe. Watching to make sure. 3 stories of women who came to America looking for a dash life. బెటర్ లైఫ్. ఎవరైనా ఒక మంచి జీవితం కోరుకుంటారు, బెటర్ లైఫ్. ఫర్ ఎ బెటర్ లైఫ్ ద యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ కాలిఫోర్నియా హ్యాస్ బ్రోకెన్ విత్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్స్ హైయెస్ట్ అకాడమిక్ పబ్లిషర్ అని అనలేం కదండి, కాబట్టి దట్ ఈస్ లార్జెస్ట్ ఎకనామిక్ పబ్లిషర్స్. 29th, mass killings on school grounds account for a very small percent of victims, but they capture far more public attention than other shootings. Public attention ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Appreciation ఎందుకు ఉంటుందని చంపేస్తుంటే. China's telecommunications giant Huawei thanked the Indian government for అనేది preposition అండి, preposition plus verb plus ing for permitting. Yes, my dear friend, this is SBI PO prelims English session explanation, and 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd and 3rd will have special classes, and exam post is already over there in your website. దయచేసి వాటన్నిటిని ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉండండి. ఎగ్జామినేషన్కి ప్రిపరేషన్ని 30th నుండి ఇంకొంచెం స్పీడప్ చేద్దాం. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ప్లస్ స్పెషల్ క్లాస్ అండ్ లైవ్ పేపర్ and exam booster. With all these things, we will go forward. Thank you very much. Meet you again.